learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Paul。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林執少 Joseph Lin here. This month, we're both together bringing you the phrase, What can I do for you? 我们这整个月呢，都在教大家怎么说有什么事情。
有嘛嘅事情？
有嘛嘅事情 ？OK， 其实有什么事情呢？在朋友之间、同事之间也有可能嘛。突然间站在你旁边，你会有什么事情？那个口调的话是这样子，对。那如果呢是在餐厅啦，或者在图书馆啦，或者在机场，那个不一样的意思，就是有什么我可以为你服务的意思了嘛 ，right? All right. So what can I do for you? Of course, can be applied in different scenarios. And let's bring a scenario here on the air that happened to me recently, just about half a year ago. 其实大概半年前啊，我终于拿到了台湾的身份证了，你知道吗？
我以为你要说你终于结婚
了。我怎么可能不通知你呢？对不对？
后面有花头。
真的好。All right, Alice thought that I got married already. I said, no. I actually went to the registration office and got myself my ID, my ROC Taiwan ID. 所以呢，你去申请，比如说这种所谓的市政那叫什么？户政事务所，对，就常常要办一些东西，他们就会说有什么事情，对不对 ？What can I do for you? So, how about 身份证？
身份证
Okay, that means an ID, identification. When you go to this office, I understand that you might be able to do other things. So let's go ahead and teach you how to say 结婚
结婚
And then if 真的很不幸一定要离婚的话 how do you say divorce?
离婚
We hope you don't use this too often, okay? All right, let's make a sentence out of this phrase. 我们要登记结婚 We are here to register our marriage.
愛到愛登記結婚
登記 register 登記結婚登記that means register 結婚 our marriage and that's what I need to do
愛到愛登記結婚
愛到愛登記結婚 All right, very good. Let's review all these phrases from the ID first. Identification, 身份證 and then getting married 結婚 and 離婚就不要交了啦還是交一下
離婚
There you go. And it's all about what can I do for you? 有什麼事情
有嘛嘅事情
And that's another edition of Practical Hakka.
什麼大家
漢字4章來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.